This Makita 18 volts X2 LXT Brushless 6/2 inches plunge circular saw kit delivers precise and more accurate cutting when combined with an optional guide rail system. The saw and rail systems work together to produce accurate cuts with minimal tear out. The saw combines a powerful Makita-built brushless motor powered by two 18 volts LXT batteries with automatic speed change technology, which adjusts cutting speed and torque during the cut for optimum performance. The saw has a variable speed control dial of 2,500 to 6,300 RPM, with a soft start and an electric brake for added convenience. It has a large 2 and 3/16 inches cutting capacity at 90 degrees, with a bevel capability of 1 to 48 degrees and positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. When used with a rail system, the plunge circular saw is a more portable option than a table saw for select applications, and is ideal for use on the job site or in a workshop. The kit includes two 18 volts LXT 5.0 Ah batteries, and each reaches a full charge in only 45 minutes on the efficient Rapid Optimum charger, the fastest charge time in the category. For less downtime and increased productivity, check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. For added convenience, the batteries feature an integrated LED battery charge level indicator. It's part of Makita's expanding 18 volts lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18 volts lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18 volts lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18 volts LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Makita-built electronically controlled BL brushless motor delivers 6,300 RPM for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. Number 2. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during cut for optimum performance. Number 3. Variable speed control dial 2,500 to 6,300 RPM for optimum performance in a variety of materials. Number 4. Close-to-the-wall cutting for expanded cutting applications. Number 5. Powered by two LXT batteries. X2 LXT technology delivers more power, speed, and runtime without the hassles of a cord, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.